Hi, Micheal. Sorry if I've pronounced your name incorrectly. This is Lee Madrick from Artist SEO. This is the free video that will be promised to you to show you some tips and tricks of how you can improve your online presence and hopefully get some more traffic to your website and book more jobs. So you can see I'm on your website at the moment. So the first thing I want to go through is I really like the look and feel of your website. It's got a nice clean layout and flow, so well done on that. The first thing I just want to cover is around the content of your website. So looking through your website, it looks like you have about 5, maybe 600 words of content. Google recommends that you have at least 1,500 words of content. And this is because when they go out and try to crawl different websites, they're trying to extract keywords that they want to put into their search engine. And if you have at least 1,500 words of content, then you make their job much easier in order to find you and to rank you. So that's one thing you can maybe look at, is increase the number of content of words that you have on your website, especially on your home page. Looking at one of your main competitors in the Amsterdam area, I do actually like your website. It's a bit cleaner. This is a little bit busy. I do like the video they have in the background, and also the very nice contact us right in the beginning in your face to make sure people can quickly contact you if they need anything. But looking through their website, you'll see they've got slightly more content than you. They probably are closer to 1,000 words of content, but not really hitting the 1,500 meter mark yet. So definitely beatable, but they are doing well from a content perspective. The next thing I want to just cover is around the Google search results. So I'm going to put in Dakcentrale in Amsterdam. The first section you will see is around Google Ads. And this is very nice prime real estate, where you'll get a lot of traffic by people clicking on these links and coming to your website. So very nice for quick traffic. Just to note that, of course, you will be paying to have your links up here. So every time someone clicks on the link, then you'll be paying for that click in essence. So good in the short term to get traffic, but you do pay for it in the long run. So the next part is around the Google Map listing. And this is a very nice section to be in because it shows all the relevant businesses in the area. The statistics actually show that between 30 and 40% of the traffic of people searching will actually click on one of these links. So lots of traffic coming to these links. So how do you get into these top 3 positions? Well, you need to increase your number of citations. All that a citation is a combination of your company name, your contact number, and your physical address. So the more you can get those combination of things listed on various directories, you can think about like Yellow Pages and those kind of things, the higher you'll be placed here as well. And of course, if you've got good Google reviews, then that will of course help a lot as well. I normally aim between 100 and 200 citations just to ensure that I'm listed in these top 3 positions and to get all that traffic. The third thing is the organic search result, and also very important to be listed in the top 3 positions here, because statistics show once again that 29% of people click on the first link that they see, 15% on the second link, and 10% on the third link. It's actually only less than 9% of people that will go past the first page of Google. So very, very important to be in these top 3 positions to get all that traffic. So how do you get into these top 3 positions? Well, I'll show you that next. I use a tool called Ahrefs, and basically what this allows me to do is to put in a website like your website into it, and it will spit out a bunch of numbers. So this is the numbers that Google will use to actually rank your website. And let's go through the first number, which is the UR. That's the trust rating. That's how much Google trusts your website. The DR is your strength index, is how strong Google thinks your website is. So you're sitting at zeros at the moment, so definitely numbers that we want to get up so that you can start ranking. Your backlinks and referring domains are very important because the higher the number of these, the higher you'll be placing on the Google search results. And also, it's not just always about the number, but also around the quality. So better quality of backlinks will also place you higher as well. I do see quite a new website as well, so it might still take a while to rank some of these things, but at the moment you're only sitting at 1 each. So that's one of the reasons why you're not really on that first page of Google right now. At the moment, you're not getting any organic traffic from Google, so 0 traffic, 0 people finding your website every month. So this is unfortunate because you have a nice website, so we really want to increase this number so you can book more jobs. And then at the moment you have, and one of the main reasons is that Google's not really finding any of those organic keywords to actually put in their search engine. So this relates to that content I talked about in the beginning, so you want to make sure that you target the right content so Google can pick it up and put it in their search engine so people can start finding you. Now, looking at that same competitor, we'll see what numbers they have. I did filter it specifically on the Amsterdam office. They do have other offices around the country, but this is just Amsterdam specific. Their trust rating is sitting at a 23 and their strength rating at 25. So they are quite a bit stronger than your website, and they also have quite a good 1-to-1 ratio here between the two of them, but it's still quite beatable. Looking at their backlinks, they're sitting at 232 and at 69. So I'm not sure if I've mentioned, but all that a backlink is really a link from another website to your website. It's basically a shout out from their website to yours to let Google know that you exist. So of course, the higher the number, the better. And the referring domains are basically those websites that are actually pointing to you. So this number, the organic traffic, they're setting at 457 people every month finding them, and that's because their stats are doing quite a bit better, and they're also number 1 in Google. So a lot of jobs, and people finding their website are actually turning into jobs. And remember, this is just the Amsterdam office; they're not even looking at the other areas right here. And for the Amsterdam office, they're finding 7 different keywords that they use, and we can take a look at what that looks like. You'll see things like Dakcentrale Amsterdam. There's 800 people every month searching for the search term, and there's of course something that you would be wanting to be found for as well. And because they're the number 1 position, they're getting about 1/3 of this traffic every single month coming to their website. So a lot of traffic that they're receiving from this. And you'll see the same for others as well. Dakcentrale in Amsterdam, roof repairs, roof leakages, etc. A lot of traffic here that you could be picking up and getting to your website. So just to quickly recap, you want to see if you can increase your number of content on your website, your homepage, to at least 1,500 words, so Google can find you easily and start ranking you. If you want to get on the Google Map listing, you want to increase the number of citations that you have in the various directories. And if you want to be in the top 3 positions of the organic search result, then you want to get your number of backlinks and your referring domains as high as possible while still maintaining good quality. As I said, all these tips and tricks are completely free, and I really hope you can start implementing some of these today, so you can actually start getting some of that traffic and the additional jobs. If you do have any questions around any of this, or you want to maybe reach out to me to say how you could implement it, or even have me to help you implement it, please feel free to reach out to me. I'd really like to help. And then lastly, either way that you go, I really wish you the best. I would really like a line of feedback from you if possible, just to let me know if this was useful for you. I'm trying to help out a bunch of local businesses, and your feedback will be much appreciated. Thank you very much, and have a great day. Cheers.